In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your profile photo from Google Meet. If you're looking to make this change but aren't quite sure where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple steps that will guide you through the process. So, let's dive right in. First, make your way to Google Meet, which is where we'll begin our journey. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type meet.google.com into the address bar to get started. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the landing page of Google Meet. Next up, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option to manage your Google account. This is the doorway to making changes to your profile settings. Click on it, and a new page will open, guiding you to your account information. Once inside your Google account, you should see a navigation menu on the left side. Here, you'll want to click on Personal Info. This section houses all the personal data linked to your Google services, including your profile photo. Now, scroll down a bit until you see the Profile section, which prominently features your current profile photo. Click on the photo. It's your gateway to changing that image. A window will pop up, giving you options regarding your profile imagery. Within this window, you'll notice several options, but what we're interested in today is the Remove option. Click on Remove to delete your current profile picture. By doing this, you're essentially telling Google to take away your photo, leaving your profile without an image. There's one more step to ensure these changes take effect. Once you've removed the photo, it's time to refresh the page. Click on the Refresh button on your browser, or simply press the F5 key to reload. This helps to ensure that the changes are properly reflected across all Google services, including Google Meet. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your profile photo from Google Meet. Remember, without a profile picture, your initials will be displayed instead. If you later decide to add a new photo, you can return to your personal info page and upload an image of your choice. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel equipped to manage your Google Meet profile settings with ease. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching and have a great day.